Happy Sunday to all! Welcome to our birthday greetings! Happy birthday sa lahat na nag-birthday. Especially to Gima Orjalis Magallanes of Maras. Among silingan yan. Happy birthday, Mac! Greetings coming from ng Anan Catalbas and family. Happy birthday also to Given Rivera. Happy birthday galing kay Tita Grace. And to Sir Rolando Turlao of Bacoor, Cavite. Happy birthday, sir. Painom ka naman, sir. Then to Norvin Bueno. Happy birthday. To Auntie Sina Acurato. Ante, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Kahit hindi ka nagpi-Facebook, babatiin pa rin kita ng happy birthday. Greetings coming from Gaga Plandes na maganda. Oh, shout out dyan sa Iloilo. Then, to Father Adam Aureliano of Diocese of Pasig. Happy birthday po, Padre. God bless. And more birthdays to come. Sa lahat na ng-birthday, happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Shout out ko sa friends ko sa Davao kasi baka magtampo. Rina Ibdalin, die. So, bye-bye for now. See you tomorrow.